Hey, what's up everybody? This is Royce from Pedal Metal. Welcome to my channel. Today's video is going to be an unboxing video, and it's actually going to be a two-part video, and I'll probably will end up splitting it into two videos. I'm a little behind. I'm a week, actually more than a week, probably a week and a half behind from doing some videos, and I got a random act of kindness box from my buddy Mark, who lives in Nashville. We will open that up, and I'm pretty excited about that. So we'll go ahead here and check it out. All right, so we're gonna get started here opening this up. I feel kind of bad because he sent this over a week ago, I guess it's been, and I just have not had the time or opportunity to open this. He put some arrows here, so I'm gonna go off of what he's telling me where to open this. It's always fun getting things in the mail. Already I see a bunch of stuff that I don't have. We'll tilt this over. We'll start at the top here. Oh, you can't go wrong with the Golf livery. Get the Mustang, was that 65? Yeah, 65 Mustang. Can't go wrong with that. Pretty cool. This one I definitely don't have in that livery. For whatever reason, these, I don't know what the deal is, but they never showed up at any of the stores that I know of around here where I live. So I do not have that M4 safety car livery, and that looks really cool. That one, I've never seen that before. Like I said, I don't quite understand why certain stuff shows up for some people in their town. Wow, same with the pizza truck. Toy Story, that's cool. That's another one that I could not find. I looked all over the place for. Never seen that in the store. You know, you see it all the time on Instagram and everybody's saying that they got it. Really cool. Thank you, Mark. That's awesome. Really cool. That one I might have to take out of the pack because we already got the bubble packs kind of hanging askew there. So maybe we'll take that one out of the pack. This is cool too. 93 Ford Mustang LX police car. Can't go wrong with that. Was it Texas? Yeah, Texas. Texas on the side there. Wow, this is cool. There's another one I've never seen in the store. Some of you guys are finding these by the dozens. I've never seen it. The Blue Bird wagon in the Momo livery. Really cool to see that in person. Awesome. The yellow 993 Carrera. It's another one of the new recolors, and that's, pretty sure I don't have this one. I've never seen it. Beautiful though, in the yellow with all the tampo details. Looks really good on the back there. That looks great. Even got a little hood emblem on the front. Can't go wrong with a 993, that's for sure. Oh, there's another one in the new repaint that I haven't seen any of these yet in the store. The red Audi short wheelbase Quattro. Thank you so much, Mark. The card art alone is awesome. And this color here almost looks like the Super Treasure Hunt color, like almost like a burgundy there. Very cool. And that's one of the few Super Treasure Hunts I will probably end up breaking down and buying off of eBay because I want it so bad. It's one of my favorite cars of all time, is that Audi, and that is so cool to see in red. And then we got a treasure hunt. He put this on to dummy proof it, because sometimes I missed one of them he sent me before. It was the one dinosaur, I think, and I just didn't pick up on it. It was a regular treasure hunt. So thank you for that, telling me. But that's the Grass Chomper. Pretty cool regular treasure hunt. So we have the flame is down here in the front there. It's always want to go opposite of my camera. So that's really cool. We'll put his sticky note back on there. Awesome. We have two of the Volvo Wagons. This is the newest repaint here. I haven't found that anywhere. Is that case N, I think it is. I forget which case that is. Or is it H? H? Not sure how I forget how you tell that on here, but anyway. So you can't go wrong with the British touring car series livery, and then the bottom one I believe is just a fictional from Hot Wheels. Really cool. Not sure why I'm shaky there. I just ate a banana. Would a banana make you shaky? Possibly. So cool to have more Volvo Wagons. Here's another one I do not have. Not in this color. This Porsche in the blue. I don't have that. And that actually looks pretty decent with the blue wheels. I don't even know if I've seen any pictures of that. Usually I see a lot of these on Instagram, but I'm not sure if I've seen that one. Also, they did a good job on the tampos on the back of that. Looks good. Really cool. What else is in here? We got a Mark I Golf from Matchbox, and this is another one. I don't see these sold this style in the boxes around here. I'm pretty sure Walmart, they used to sell them, but I haven't seen them. I'm not going to break that open, but I can hear it's in there. It's sealed. I think I'm going to keep that in the box. But that's one I definitely do want to detail up and redo sometime. I know I keep saying I'm going to do that, and I keep putting it off. We have some loose cars. Let's see what we got here. We have a Moby Dick. These were made in China. These were sold at grocery stores. I remember them when I was a kid. This one's actually in pretty good shape too. I think it was pretty much a knockoff of a Tamika. I think the mold, they might even stole the mold. But that is really cool because I'm not sure if I have that one or not in the silver. I have some of the Chinese Tamika knockoffs in my basement, and I do want to film all of my collection at some point in time. I just never got around to it, and didn't know how many people really would care to see that or not, but that's awesome. This Ford GT, was it the GTX1? This is from the mystery. I think it's a mystery one. And that matte black, that looks pretty wicked with the gold interior and black wheels. I believe it's a mystery one. Really cool to see that. That's awesome. Got some more loose ones. There was Citroen and an F40. And the F40 in gold, of course, you can't go wrong with the gold Hot Wheels F40. Really cool. I do have that, but I don't think I ever, when I did the F40 video, I'm not sure if I took one out of the pack or not. I know I have one in the pack, so it's cool to have another one out of the pack. This is interesting here, the Citroen DS 1968 2007 Matchbox. That's pretty cool. I like weird cars, and of course these are probably some of the weirdest cars on the planet. That's neat. That's really cool, because I don't think I've ever seen that before. I think Matchbox has definitely come a long way in the last few years. That's for sure. There's a lot more people collecting Matchbox now. It says one to keep. It's a mystery one. We're gonna cheat here and look and see which one is this. There's the different ones on the pack. I'll have to feel the shape. I know there's, you can go by the, was it the code here? It says 05. So is that twin mill in there? Or am I looking at something wrong? Let's look and see what the next one here is. This one says one to keep. Oh, this is number Series 2, Series 3. So Series 3 had the Datsun wagon in there, was probably the most popular one, I would say, out of there. And the Volkswagen Caddy, of course, was pretty popular too out of that. I would say those are the two most popular out of that set. Trying to feel which one this is. It feels like it might be the Datsun. They have the numbers there, but I don't know. Kind of feel, doesn't feel like the, I'm not sure which one that is. Feels like the Mazda race car. There's one to open here and one to keep sealed, so we probably could go ahead and just open this up. Was this the same as the other one? 05, what was this one? Also 05, so we'll go ahead and, yeah, it's twin mill, so that's cool. That's what I was gonna say, because 05, it says 05, and then it matches, the 5 matches up with twin mill. That paint scheme is freaking awesome on that. I've never seen that before. I mean, I have tons of twin mills, but I've never seen that. Oop, oh my. As it fell on the, come with that sticker, which is cool. It fell on a mat here, so don't panic, everybody. It didn't get destroyed or scratched or anything. I have a thick rubber mats out here in the garage. That looks awesome. I'm going to open this one up because this is bugging me now. I want to see what, well, it's got to be, so it's the Mustang, because it says number 1 there on, yeah, it's the Mustang. There's the sticker there. And it's matte black. That's pretty cool with red trim. As I almost dropped that one. 69 Boss 302. Cool. All right, and then for last but not least of the box is another one. These are peg warmers in a lot of areas where you guys live, but for whatever reason, I've never seen this particular one, the RWB one, in my town. Now, of course, we've been on lockdown for quite a while, and the Wally Worlds are closed at 8:30 p.m. for whatever reason. Starting this Friday, they should reopen, I'm hoping, at the regular time. So when I get off of work is when I used to stop in at Wally World. But closing at 8:30 p.m. at night doesn't help anything, because I really haven't been to a Target or a Walmart in, I couldn't tell you, probably 3 months now. So that's awesome, Mark. So thank you so much for all these great cars. This one is one that I was looking for. I know a lot of you guys on Instagram make fun of it and says it's one of the worst ones and blah blah blah, peg warmer, but yeah, I've actually never seen any of the other ones here either in the store, but I think it looks pretty cool in purple. Sky, ocean, rain. I mean, it's got a little kind of, it's a little goofy, but pretty cool. So that one, I'll probably open that one up. So thank you so much, Mark, for, let me zoom out. So thank you so much, Mark, for sending all these great cars to me, and for everybody to check out as I open up the mystery box of stuff. And I will treasure them and I'm pretty curious about a few of these here. I gotta look, but it's amazing how many of these I didn't have. That goes to show you how much stuff is out there that, I mean, you could just fill up your house easily with all these cars. It gets a little crazy. That's why you gotta figure out which ones, you know, are important to you. I personally don't collect every little thing because it's just too much, and it gets a little out of hand. And I live in a small house to begin with, so I don't have a whole lot of room. All right, so I'm gonna move on to part 2 of the video, which hopefully will be coming up shortly. I'm gonna clean off repack these up, and we will move on to, I'm gonna be opening up the Wild Terrain set and checking that out. That's one I've wanted to do for a few weeks now. Really excited about that set, and I will see you guys soon. If you're not a subscriber, consider subscribing. You can't beat free. It's free, and hit the bell for notifications, and I will see you guys soon. All right, talk to you guys later. All right, bye now.